I'm a turn back and go back to in and break my gun. My God,
Dog shall bite you.
pull the gate long time and shut him out dog.
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, what they
Hi guys, welcome to Bells TV. I'm your girl Kavian.
Wagwan, I'm your boy Billy. Welcome back to our next video. Welcome back to our channel, guys. And by the title down below, you know Wagwan.
Yes, it is long overdue.
Yeah, people.
I'm
This
gonna
is
tell you guys how we actually met.
on a story time.
So this is a sit down.
You see me?
chit-chat
So only just
video.
bear with me. You see me? If you're not a real fan of Kavian and Billy, we're gonna just sit down and just watch
the
out
video
the video.
then to the
You
end.
see me? Yeah.
And guys,
big up
before we go
everybody.
into the video, we just want to say thanks to everybody who subscribe, who comment, who share, who like. There's
Yeah.
some person who literally watch the videos them and I never know to them watch it. So shout out to you guys who are in the bushes watching but not commenting and not, you know.
Yeah.
Let me know it's on the day. So
Big up
don't
on
forget
yourself.
to subscribe, like and comment. So yeah.
Go jump straight in at the
Video.
video.
So guys, before me literally going at the story time, I want to tell you say guys, I always say to myself say yo, I'm not date nobody in my community, you know. So when I go hear the whole details and
All me
really
disguise myself. Our father got tell me say yo, she not one man in the community. So I disguise myself.
it's my preference, that's what I
Is
stay
it?
from ever since. Now
Yeah.
I said me try not to date persons in my community.
But what is to be must be. You see me what I feel?
I feel.
Yeah. So I'm
So Billy I go tell film part then me I go tell
Yeah.
my part.
So, me used to see her and thing. You see me in the community and thing, and I say, yo, I will see her with a little pool, Pepsi.
Yeah,
You see me?
that's
Because they are never there on in time. You
Yes,
see me?
we have Pepsi like a good 3-4 years.
Yeah, so I used to see her with Pepsi and thing. You see me, and I tell you, I girl look just different, they have a different style and different flow. You see me? I don't know if that really pulled me on. You see me?
And
Because-
minor guys, in time they go to a rough patch.
Yeah,
rough patch.
Yeah, so she never look like a regular girl in the community. She just stand out and see me like that. So I see her, I never make no move it. See her but 2 times or say 3 times. You see me? Before me really got to her and you see me? So see her this day now with Pepsi. I walk past and I literally walk past and I stop. I turn back and go back to in and break my gun. My God,
Dog shall bite you.
pull the gate long time and shut him out dog. And I said, no, this about dog. And thing, you see me? I'm go to her and I talk to her. We just
And this is the day the guys, me see my walker come up, you know, cause we should me live at the back, but normally when we do me da like walk around at the front and sit down like on the railing and so. So me and Pepsi go around the day and sit down around there. And me see this guy, this nice guy coming up brown in him ear care as me tell him ear all him always groom. As you can see in a previous video when me do when me reacting to all picture them, him always groom.
don't know anything now.
Him ear care and nice and something. And me sit down and me I say
yeah.
and me see me in full white, which him no remember, but me remember see me in full white and him ear cane. And me remember when him come up to me and say, like would I say hi or something like that, and me say hi. And I don't remember the exact conversation, but remember him asked me for the number.
Yes, sir, this how they know?
Yeah.
This somebody a while again.
Yeah, just stand up, me want to give them my parts.
Oh, this how it there, isn't
Yeah.
it? We have a little convo. Serious and real shot to make sure. Well, and then me hit the number thing and see how
And me say to him say, not interested in any man. I don't want any man. Me say to him say, not interested in any man. I'm not giving him a number.
Yeah, you know our style.
Yeah.
Until we just now go where so easy. I would see, I'm not go bother you know. Just
And then
check up on you and
after
say hi
that,
and I eat
me
that.
not stay back probably like for a month or 2 or so.
No man, I don't think that's so long. Boy, about
About
3
that-
weeks. Cause it's
Yeah,
3
about
weeks.
a month me not see him for.
You see me? Cause it's 3 weeks. You see me? And then,
until I wait, me see you again.
yeah. Me a pass. Me a pass
Yeah.
again. Cause me, one thing me, me never pass.
I remember, I think I same place me this done the same.
No.
time.
No.
And then the line.
No. You up at the Washington there. You up at the scene.
Yes, so let me say underneath the line, I think the
I
washing.
remember where she that do.
Yeah, me did that.
But
Me
up so
did
she there. I
me
mean,
did underneath the washing cause at the time, so normally like if me alone the home, me da like get up and go on at the front go sit on just take a little breeze. Me and Pepsi at the time Zaya never there. And I think me go on to the mango tree go sit down. Me never go all the way to the front.
so I saw if me see her by chance.
Yeah.
You see me? And one thing, if I walk past and then something for the turn, go in at the yard and thing and we did there, we have a little confan, and number thing come up back. You see me? I'm saying, yeah, no man, a big man.
And me insist I tell him say, me not interested in a man, me no want a man, plus me just a come out of bad breakup, plus me have other things I deal with. So me not really wanna, me not interested in a relationship.
Yeah, so I still like the number thing, because you don't know, when you get the number,
Never
you
give me
know, say,
number up until that
if
day.
you don't see her, you can talk, or we can text and really. If you don't see
Yeah.
her, because basically we are meet by chance.
Mm-hmm.
So, here what she use for me now. I'm say,
I remember him come in and then me walk around at the front or something like that.
you
and
there
me see
on the
cherry.
front, you there on the front already. You always say cherry tree over there.
Oh,
you
yeah.
know some always go over there.
Come,
You
yeah,
say,
him tell me some always they cross the road in
say-
front of the yard.
So they say
me
cherry tree over there. I always say, like I say, I always say cherry tree
Yeah, me
over
say me
there.
always see that cherry tree they always have cherry. You can't pick some cherry for me want to make some
Yeah.
juice.
I so
Yeah.
come now, she say,
If you pick a cherry, me think about give me number.
you see that? I not think for go pick the cherry, you know. She think for give me number.
Me say if I get a
You see
cherry
me?
for me think about giving you the
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
number.
I know a cherry tree scratch and them something like that. So I hold it and
Yeah,
thing
send
them
up
go
a bring
through.
and pick the cherry.
You see me? Yes. But the thing them can drop down pants and scratch said way.
But end up guys,
I'm
I
gonna pick a
want-
bag of cherry for you. Yeah.
guys, if you see the little tubes of cherry when bring come, so me say to him say this cause knowing me have a kind of loud voice. I don't know if you guys noticed that. But yeah, I have a little loud voice there. And Mr. Tim say, and it's a little bit of cherry you bring come.
Yeah, I mean, can remember show you give me the number. So me I say, alright.
And-
I want a cherry again, so.
I think I when him I like him did the day till him I think me left from round at the front, come back round here and you come round and come call me. You know remember?
No, man,
Yes.
you up on the front said you.
No. You come back round.
Come
Remember
call
say
her.
me come back. Remember you tell me say you go pick the cherry and then me come round and you come round and come call me, you can't come right there, so come give me the green.
I choose still. And with the day,
Yeah.
I saw come now. Wait,
And
you
end up
get the
that
number
me,
there?
I think me give the number that day.
Get the number. I'm gonna me text her at the same time. Never text the same time.
Remember if they text me same time.
Never
you
text
know.
the same time.
But guys, I
because-
remember give him my number. Yeah, remember give
And
him
then,
number.
like, me used to work late. I come.
Yeah, at the
I
time,
like-
him did
you
not
see,
want
my car,
a different location, so him usually
You see
work
me?
late.
I call her, go up on the front of me. Talk, we have this
Yeah.
long
We
discussion
usually like,
thing.
yeah, when him call
You see
me
me?
and tell me say I left work, me and the guys, at that point in time, I never know, say him come from the community, you know. And tell me say him usually, me think I like him live outside of the community and him usually like come hang out next door, across the road from where me live. And then long after that, him tell me say around where him come from.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And-
We have chicks and shade, just like us have chicks and shade, never want to give me the number.
Yeah, and
Have
then-
chicks and shade.
Him like him would have text me and then me would have come out of the front
When
of
we
the
come from
yard
work,
to
and we did
him.
that talk and we...
And we usually have a little conversation.
Point out, one point, people, not, we could even go as close as to this door, you know.
Kudo.
You see me?
If him come
Not-
and say me
it's
fi give him
not-
a hug,
not even a little
me
hug,
tell
you
him
know.
no.
Up there, them little
It's like
church hugging up
my
people.
mind is like my mind was so far away from going back in a relationship dating.
People?
It's like me dey have a hatred for man.
My marks have
Period.
a little hug from like a church me there. Like me and a church member.
Yeah.
And I'm too shook up the uptown
I
hug.
remember one time him come and say give him hug. Me said no.
And it's a night. The night at first I'm on.
Right underneath the mango tree.
Yeah.
And me said no.
I know, romantic.
And me
You
just
have
barely but hug him.
She never
Yes,
romantic
guys.
long time, because we are now a nice little big mango tree with a little
But me never
swing-
interested.
with a little swing song. You know the way there? Only thing we never have are the pun with the dove and the something there over the side. So you see me? But you know them little romantic mood and little song they play out. Little jump up with that. Thanks.
And then him come and then me give me little hug and then him go away and then
Yeah.
him start do it back and forth till me start text him
And then
and then we start talk over the phone.
say one day people come in and say our sister, more long more they wait for nine.
You know say my sister or you just
No.
see somebody will live in the yard.
Yeah. I'm say can't you know honest of
But guys-
I go around there in tune of people personal
Hear
space
this-
but not good on them. So
Hear the story now, no?
so you say hi good night to our sister. You can call
You never know say my sister.
But yeah, I say tell to your sister. But
Yeah.
you don't establish say I never know say your sister.
Yeah.
I say can call Kavian please.
Mm.
And she said, yeah man, alright.
But guys, when
No! So the lady now take the message and I do it. And
but guys, guess
You see me?
what? My sister come and tell me, say somebody out there call me.
yeah.
And the name that he gave me Alex. Alex wasn't his name. So him tell my sister say, Billy. Me don't know who name Billy, so me not going out, me not leaving my house
No,
out
but at
a
least if
door.
you come look or glimpse or come
Guys,
out
me not come out of my yard. Him
Come
out there,
on
him say out there away for about good 15 to 20
Yeah,
minutes.
I say, sure.
But
Yeah,
him
my
give,
yard,
guys,
yeah.
him give me wrong name.
You see me? And thing.
Him give me wrong name, same name Alex. Then him give me sister same name Billy.
Whole heap of you watch this right
People.
now. You see me? Only
Drop
give
it in the
people
comment
wrong
section
name
and tell me
thing.
if you would have left out on a yard. If you meet a guy and the guy say him name XYZ and then him want to see and send person come call and say him name this and name.
Person, your sister.
Me just use it, me not mean like me. Me I say, you would have leave out of your house and me don't know who? I never left my house. If they
So-
away from me,
so
I know me not
anyways-
return. I know me not go out there go look at
Anyways,
it.
we start talking. We just come now. The first time we reach on the veranda, it's like we outside and I say, oh, it's a movie I watch.
Yeah, me tell him
And I
say,
say, I say, come in, come watch a movie. I say,
yeah, him say, me say to him say, come on the veranda, me I watch a
That's it.
movie at the time me did that.
People, yes, a woman powerful. Woman get me in a lifetime.
Yeah,
See,
cause them time they
get caught
be a
up in
lifetime show me son
lifetime,
and watch.
Stuck up in a lifetime. There in my yard. I find myself and watch lifetime.
Yeah.
I say, what is? So she never want to intrude me in her room.
You know,
she
with space, come here, say me not really, as me tell him from day one, say me never really interested, but
Yeah.
we still like get to know each other.
Yeah, so-
and I remember him said to me, say, me will wait until you're ready for going into a relationship. Him willing for wait on
Yeah,
me.
so me
So-
that play like the friend role. them
Yeah,
time
the friendly
there.
role
Or
at
somebody
the
where,
time.
you know, they feel or can talk to her. So
Yeah.
that position that we there. You see me?
Yeah, and
Or-
then
or
when me hear him say
a
that-
movie
When,
fellow or yes.
when me him say that, me I say, this a boy not normal. Me tell him say, me no want a man, me no interested in a relationship. Man can stay. But him a go tell me say when me ready, him willing for wait. Him no matter how long it take.
Yeah, so
Me say when me remember that day, then me I say no man.
laugh. They did laugh.
No. Me I say,
And I said, sure.
what's me wrong with that boy yeah? And me I say to myself say, but in a situation where I was at, me I say, oh when really sip on me? Like me I say when really
matter.
sip on me? Why
Me?
him willing for sit down and wait? Him no know me from Adams. Him no know nothing about me. Him no know
That's
what
why-
me really
that's why
I
me
got
have it.
through. So why him willing for sit down and wait until
Forget
me
to know,
ready?
forget to know you.
When sip on me and something.
Don't forget to know you, baby, man.
Yeah, but
You see me?
honestly, I want to say I make one of the best decisions, even though we have our ups and downs.
Whole heap of ups and
And
downs.
it has been an awesome 2 years.
But what
we
I know,
have been
and then we'll
together.
start go on couple. Well, me have a force have to come out of the house.
Yeah, because at that
You see me?
point, me never really want to leave my
Because-
house, go anywhere. And
I
I'm
mean, I just-
always like, stay by myself.
Me are this person to say, yo, I always want to go out, you see me,
Yeah.
show her off. Say, yo, yeah, I'm a girl, and me. I say,
And
"Ah,"
at the time,
and you see me?
honestly, guys, me never want to
She
leave
never
my
want
house.
to leave her house. I'm a literally.
Sometimes him
force her.
literally come and say, just come now. You see when me
You
go
see me?
meet him mother and father and sister.
I
One of the
force her.
hardest thing ever, but
You see me?
eventually me get to
Yeah.
meet them. They are such a
And
nice
thing.
person, very nice person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, That's
You're
how
a
we
very, very
really,
nice person.
really met. So you
And that's
can,
how we really met. And then
Yeah.
on tour,
yeah, you can call it the cherry tree bring us together.
the cherry
you know what I mean?
tree, yeah, the
The plug
cherry
at the plug-in and
make
the
everything
relationship.
happen.
You see me?
Yes.
I want to do from them. I think, hey, cherry from that.
Cherry? No, I'm gonna go no more cherry
I
juice.
know, I know. I'm going to forget about the cherry.
So guys, don't forget to
I
like,
love
comment,
this.
and share. Don't
Yeah.
forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that notification bell and
Yeah.
turn that post notification on. Just go so
Yeah.
boom on the
And
notification
she,
bell.
we know what
And
say, she should do the video, you know, 5 minutes.
makeup challenge.
Yeah, shall do it. So
She in
just
that
bear
video is coming
Yeah.
as well, so just bear with me.
Yeah.
We're gonna do that challenge.
And we
It'll
have
come
some
very,
more.
very soon.
We have some more banger for push out and
Yeah.
we'll try to come back for live. Cause we have some good people. Miss we.
Yeah,
And
we're
things.
willing
So
to
let's start
want
push
to
out
see
ourselves
Billy.
more.
You know, I say Billy are the spokesman and me are the commentator. Me read all of the message them and Billy are the spokesman. So you know, I say we saw there again from the live.
Yeah.
And for the live, we want to come different. We want to do something
Yeah.
different. We want like start like a talk show, something. So
Yeah.
that's why we just have to take a look at time, do what we have to do.
Yeah. And congrats to all who get monetized.
Monetize.
You see me? And thing on the big up on yourself. You know, say I know the work really start. So congrats to all of you. You see me? So until next time, guys, we are the lovely couple. She don't want to kiss me. She still
Bye
interested.
guys.
Big up on yourself.